So this carrot cake would absolutely blow your mind. It's raw and it's super, super delicious. I blend all the ingredients. I will put in comments all the ingredients so you've got it. I just blend all together. At the end, I add some raisins, which I really think they make it the whole difference in there. And I just use any pan, baking pan. I should have used it probably smaller because it will come out higher. This is a bit low, but it's okay. Absolutely, it doesn't matter to me personally. But I spread it out with a spatula and I do the frosting. Just 1 second, you have a look. Look beautiful, neat. I put in the fridge, and when I do the frosting, always remember soak all your cashew nuts earlier overnight, the best way. And dates, I do that all the time. So I put some tahini, some dates in there. I blend it, I take it out, I blend again. I put a bit of, I actually use soya milk, but you can use oat milk as well. And it has to be that consistency. Oh, God, my mouth waters when I'm talking. Apply on top, just like you would spread out, cream for any cake. Just did it, thin layer, you can see it. And honestly, my mouth is watering when I'm talking about it. Stick it in the fridge, decorate it. And the best thing to cut it, I would say, put in the freezer for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then cut it. Enjoy it.